G'day there guys, Vince here from Solar and Sat Bundaberg. This week we've just completed an amazing power system on this Spinifex Caravan over the top, and we've gone over the top with the power system as well. We've got 1200 amp hours of lithium in the front boot, heaps of solar on the roof, Starlink, the whole kit and caboodle. Let's go and take a look. We've been working on this unique Spinifex Caravan for the past week. The customers have their own brand called Over the Top. As you can see, they like the colour purple, and we've put in an amazing power system to suit their needs.
It's Alan Ruth from Spin 20. We bought this van back in 2010 with 320 amp batteries with only 3 solar panels. At the time we thought that was good enough for free camping, but we found that that wasn't the case. Fast forward, 2025.
So we've got almost 1600 watts of solar up on the roof. We've got 1200 amp hours of lithium battery power in the front boot with all of the Victron components as well. So these customers are going to be able to travel around with peace of mind, knowing they can run their air conditioner, pretty much anything for as long as they want, especially while that sun's out. So I'm going to run you through some of the things that we've installed in the front boot. As you can see, we've done a very unique color-coded battery to suit the rest of the caravan. That's the first time we've done it with those batteries before, but we basically just take the acrylic off, new print on it, a one-off. So we've got 2 600 amp hour Shervey Lithium batteries all built here in-house. Extremely good quality batteries. We've got the 3 kVA Victron inverter. That allows them to run all of their 240 volt appliances inside the van. We've fitted a substantial amount of solar on the roof. We've ended up installing 6 200 watt Shervey solar panels and 3 130 watt Shervey standard solar panels, which equals a total of 1,590 watts, which is a great number for a caravan, especially when you've got massive battery storage. We've run these solar panels through 3 separate solar regulators, which will maximize the efficiency of the solar panels. And just like the brand name, we've gone very over the top with this entire installation. So we have all of the equipment in-house, like CNC routers, lasers, printing equipment, that gives us the ability to custom make all of the equipment that goes into these jobs, meaning it's something that you can't just go and buy off the shelf. It makes it one of a kind. Originally it had a 300 amp hour lithium. Before that he only had AGMs. We've removed all of the original equipment, put a board in and fitted all of our components to that. So we've got all of our fuse blocks are labeled. We've got twin 50 amp DC-DC chargers, and we've also got 4 Victron solar regulators. So 3 of those solar regulators are for the solar that's on the roof, and 1 of those solar regulators is to be able to plug a portable solar panel into as well. We've mounted this compressor on this bracket that the customer actually supplied. We've also added an Anderson plug on the other side as an output so the customer can run things off that. We've put 2 fans in, heaps of vents. That's to keep the system nice and cool in the front boot, so they're actually temperature activated, and the whole idea is to bring cool air in from one side and blow hot air out the other side. We've also hooked up their Starlink to a router that the customer supplied in the front boot as well, and we've made it so that the customer can turn his Starlink on and off through the Touch 70 display screen inside. So lots of extras have gone into this van. It's turned out to be an absolutely amazing power system, and I'm sure the customers are going to absolutely love it.
Man, oh man.
It might be a bit over the top, is it?
I'd say it is over the top.
We wanted something that is different and outstanding, above what most people have in their caravan. That's why we do have a lot of the purple trim, to show that it's something that nobody else would think about doing, that it's specific to us, that over the top, you see us, you know us, you see our van, you know we're over the top.
So as you can see, we've done an amazing power system. We've gone over the top on this Spinifex Caravan. If you're looking for a similar power system or a system to suit your needs, come and see the team at Solar and Sat Bundaberg.
See ya!